Finding the equation of a line given a point and a slope. In these examples, we are given one point and we're given the slope. As we saw in the last example, when we're given a slope like 4 in example A, we might want to think of that as 4 over 1. So if we had a picture of this, let's see, we have 2, 5. Here's our starting point. And if I'm going to go up by 4 spaces and over 1 space, so the rise is 4, so I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd move over by 1, and I'd get a second point here that I could use to connect and draw my line. So what we want to do instead of drawing this out is use a formula to come up with the equation of our line. So the equation that we're going to use is the point slope formula. It says that y minus y sub 1 equals mx minus x sub 1. In this example, the x1 and the y1 relate to the point, whereas the x and the y that don't have a subscript are in the place of the variables that'll be there for our final answer. So we will plug in here. 5 is going to go here, and 2 is going to go here, and then the slope 4 goes here. So I have y minus 5, and then x minus 2. Let's rewrite this into the form of y equals mx plus b. So what that means is we want to solve for y, get y by itself on one side. So y minus 5, I'm going to distribute that 4 on the right-hand side. That gives me 4x minus 8. And then I'll add 5 to both sides. So we have y equals 4x minus 3. So it looks like if we were to graph this, our slope is 4, which was given, and our y-intercept is 3. Switching over to Desmos for a minute, just to look at what we just were trying to find. Here's the point 2, 5 showing up on our graph, and I've graphed the line y equals 4x minus 3, and we can see that that line is going through the point. It has a slope of 4, and its y-intercept is negative 3. All right, for example B, we'll use that same formula that we did before. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We'll plug in 2 for y and 1 for x, and a negative 4/5 as the slope. And then let's rewrite this into mx plus b form. I have y minus 2 equals negative 4 over 5x plus 4 over 5. Let's add 2 to both sides. So we get y equals negative 4 over 5x. Let's see, 4/5 plus 2 is going to be plus 14 over 5. So that's our final answer here.